Hi guys, welcome back to Dr. Lou's Low Carb Diet. I'm Dr. Lou and today we're doing menu number 5. So it's day 5 on your keto menu and you should be feeling much better. You should be feeling you've got less bulk in you, less bloated. You should be feeling now, wait a sec, I've cleaned out all those carbs and I feel fantastic. You've lost a lot of water weight as well, but hopefully you're staying hydrated with electrolytes. And everything's now starting to burn. Your mind is getting sharper. You should be sitting there with zero issues and you should be ready. In fact, you could be in full ketosis on day 5 because you've had such a low carb menu set. So guys, I hope that's obviously what's going on and I hope you're feeling a lot better. If not, again, if there are any major issues, consult your GP. You need to obviously make sure that you manage your electrolytes sufficiently, and if there are any issues, you immediately sort them out. So guys, what we're going to do now is we're going to jump on to day 5's menu. Okay, so guys, so you can see the day 5 menu, and it's the keto menu, which again is fry all foods in healthy oils, olive oil, avocado oil, coconut. You've got a whole range of different oils that will be acceptable on a keto diet. Now, this is 7.5 grams total daily net carbs, which is awesome. So it is still under half the allowance for the day. Now, jumping on, the first thing you should be doing is when you wake up in the morning is you walk out and you religiously take out your supplements. You pop your vitamin C effervescent tablet in. It's sugar-free, fantastic. Multivitamins and minerals, they give you your daily allowances for most of them. And importantly, they give you some contribution to some minerals that you don't get most that you need some extra help with, but you can get it some from your food. And vitamins are important because you are not going to really be eating any fruit, not at this early stage anyway. Now, if you want to look at fruit that you can have on a keto diet, I would recommend once you're in the diet, then go and look at one of my other videos for keto-friendly fruits. Now, electrolyte tablet, you take a tablet, or it could say 2, that helps with the electrolytes. You're still losing a lot of electrolytes and dumping sodium especially. Biotin complex, sodium and potassium, and that usually has a few other things in there, as I said, like caffeine, or has biotin, which is helps break down your triglycerides, so you can then have fatty acids to go to your liver to make ketones for your brain, and at the same time, the fatty acids broken down for energy for you to be able to use it for your rest of your body. Now, let's have a look here. So breakfast, minced stuffed portobello mushrooms. Oh, these are delicious. Portobello mushrooms, you're going to have 2 large caps, 120 grams. Minced beef, 0 carbs, 150 grams. Cheese, 0 carbs, 50 grams. Cheddar and mozzarella mix if you want to. That just gives it that fantastic cheddar flavor with a nice gooey mozzarella. And the mix always makes things a bit more tastier and better in substance, the texture. Cooking butter or olive oil. So you can see here, you've got around about 3 grams of carb. You can see a coffee on there, it's black, 0 carbs. Adding milk for 0.7 grams of carb. Now, tea or as well, or water, these will do you conducively. If you don't mind dirty keto, a sugar-free diet fizzy drink, or soda if you're from the USA. So here we go. Next, we're looking at lunch. Lunch, you have green bell peppers stuffed with cheese and pork mince. So that's a bell pepper. I recommend if you put it in the air fryer, put it in the air fryer for about 5 minutes. That will soften the pepper. Then put the cooked mince, obviously, you fry the mince first, into the pepper. So it's already been pretty much fried. Put in the cheese on top, then fry it there, then air fry it, and it will melt it all down beautifully. Again, all of that's 0 carb, guys. The peppers, you've got some carb from there, and that's the majority of the carb you can see in this day. Green bell peppers are essential because the other peppers have about a 1 gram or 1.5 grams additional carb because of that. So green bell peppers are lower in carbohydrates. Cooking butter or olive oil, 1 tablespoon, 15 grams. Again, 0 carbs. So you're looking at a net carbs of 3 grams for lunch. Absolutely fantastic. And that's delicious what you're preparing. Right, jumping on dinner, chicken wings, cucumber and mayo. Another little fantastic thing, yes? Chicken wings, zero gram carbs, 6 to 8 wings approximately. Don't forget, knock yourself out and what you feel that you can have. Don't forget, don't start putting loads of sugary coatings or anything like that on them. Cucumber, it's got about 1 gram of carbs per 100 gram. You're going to get 100 gram and then cut it into sticks. You've got salt and pepper for seasoning. You cooked it in olive oil or butter, 1 tablespoon of 15 grams. And you have a low carb mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons or 30 grams. And again, guys, weigh things out. So what you can see here is that this is giving you 1.5 grams of carb. And you can see that's coming from your low carb mayonnaise and the cucumber. So effectively, brilliant. You've got a really low carb day again. And at the same time, chicken wings with a cucumber there, dipping it in. You might add some garlic, like garlic mayo, but you make it yourself, so there's no sugar in it. So there are a lot of things you can do, but keep it 0 carb. Yeah. So guys, again, drink water with it. If you don't mind dirty keto, sugar-free drink. It's not going to spike your blood sugar, and most of them don't anyway that I've tried. And at the same time, you're going to find that you enjoy it. But if you water, tea, coffee, fine. Add milk. Add 0.7 grams to your journal for your carbohydrates. Okay, guys. So very simple and straightforward. Day 5, 7.5 grams. You are a keto master now. So you are literally going deeper into ketosis, and you hardly have any carbs for your day. Okay, guys, as I said, you should be feeling much better on day 5. And this is, again, taking you deeper into ketosis. Very low carb, and it's a fantastic menu, and it's very tasty. Okay, guys, so just a little bit more information on where you are. You should be pretty much now yanking up the ketone production. Ketones are being used. You have 3 ketones. You have acetoacetate. That one's made first in your liver using your fatty acids, and then that will actually go on to make the other 2. So that acetoacetate is a precursor. So that will make the other 2. So once you've made acetoacetate, you make acetone, and then you make your main one, which is BHB or beta hydroxybutyrate, and that is going to be your main ketone that you send to your brain. You send it all over for energy. It goes to places fatty acids can't go, and we use ketones because we need that quick energy. Now the rest of your body will use fat, and so those. So once you've broken down the triglycerides into glycerin and fatty acids, your fatty acids go off to be used as fuel. It's just some of them go to the liver to be made into ketones, so you can get a nice big focus and clarity in your mind. You should be feeling that now, and you should be going, hey, I feel a lot better. So that's what's happening. You're dropping your electrolytes, as I said, lots of sodium, because you're telling your kidneys you don't need to hold on to sodium anymore. So that drops down because your insulin's gone down. And so that signals to drop. You're taking your electrolytes, that's keeping you happy, but you also have your aldosterone, and that is a hormone which is going to correct out and counter the loss of your sodium. So that way it also helps to regulate your sodium. And so it will basically help you to get back into the correct level for your electrolytes. So guys, that's the main idea. And we can see obviously that hopefully that's pretty much where you are at this stage of the diet. Again, well done for passing day 3, and 4 can be quite challenging. And so well done for that, because it takes a lot of people to do that. Many people fail on day 3. And that is the biggest time. You can fail on 2 as well. That happens a lot, but it's day 3 that's the killer. Now, day 4, again, if for example, something slowed you down, that could be day 4. But day 5 we're on, so you should be totally sorted out, and you should now be feeling I'm a lot better, and I can do this diet. So it does take a lot of willpower. So well done, guys. If you have any comments, please, guys, if you have any questions, you're not sure about something, the science, the meal, just pop down in the comments. I'll be happy to reply if I have time. Okay, guys. So guys, I hope you enjoy that. I hope you enjoy the food. And if you like it, please thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.